What is the theme of International Day of Cooperatives 2020? Answer: Cooperative for Climate Action. Special liquidity scheme of how much amount has been launched by the Government of India for non-bank lenders? Answer: 30,000 crore. Which state government has launched an e-learning portal lead for providing educational material for classes 1 to 12? Answer: Delhi. Noted novelist Geeta Nagabhushan passed away. She used to write in which language? Answer: Kannada. Recently, a former footballer, Mario Gomez, has announced his retirement from the sport. He hails from which country? Answer: Germany. Who has been appointed as the interim chairman of International Cricket Council after India's Shashank Manohar stepped down from the position? Answer: Imran Khwaja. For first year 22, Fitch cut India growth projection to how much percent? Answer: 8%. How much amount has been sanctioned by the central government under Atmanirbhar program to improve infrastructure for the food parks in Karnataka? Answer: 4,000 crore. With which country did India hold a passing exercise to promote mutual understanding? Answer: Japan. Which private sector bank has announced to offer zip drive instant auto loans to customers across 1,000 cities across India? Answer: HDFC Bank. Which state government has launched at One Click initiative aimed to provide online cash aid to MSMEs and textile industry? Answer: Gujarat. India signed an agreement with which country for the formation of 50-50 joint venture company for LPG business in the latter? Answer: Bangladesh. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer of Central Board of Films Certification? Answer: Ravindra Bhakar. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman of Indian Oil Corporation? Answer: Shrikant Madhav Vidya. Which bank has joined the Central Bank and Supervisors Network for greening the financial system as an observer? Answer: Asian Development Bank. In which of the states is the world's largest convalescent plasma therapy trial cum treatment center for COVID-19 patients being launched? Answer: Maharashtra. According to Care Rating, what could be the India's GDP growth forecast for the current financial year? Answer minus 6.4%. Which state has launched a campaign named Hamara Ghar Hamara Vidyalaya to provide children to the school-like environment at the homes? Answer Madhya Pradesh. To support the small business in India impacted by COVID-19, how much budget has been announced by the World Bank? Answer $750 million. Which country is said to become the first in the world to phase out of coal as an energy source? Answer Germany. What is the theme of National Doctors Day 2020? Answer lessen the mortality of COVID-19. Who is named as the Prime Minister of France after Edouard Philippe resigned? Answer Jane Castes. Country's first lichen park is development in Kumaun's Munsiari area. In which state does this area fall? Answer Uttarakhand. Which Indian tennis player won the PSD Bank Nord Open Trophy in Germany, becoming the first India to do so? Answer Sumit Nagpal. As per Global E-Waste Monitor 2020 report, India is at which position in case of the amount of e-waste dumped last year? Answer third. In which country the Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit 2021 was scheduled to be held, which is now cancelled by it due to COVID-19? Answer New Zealand. What was the profession of Vishnu Prasad Kumar, who passed away recently? Answer Journalist. Who has been reappointed as the Solicitor General of India by the Government of India for 3 years? Answer Tushar Mehta. Which bank launched its e-Kisan Dhan app for farmers across India? Answer HDFC Bank. Who has been appointed as the India's next permanent representative to the United Nations and other international organizations in Geneva? Answer Indra Mani Pandey. Who has been appointed by National Green Tribunal to head the committee to investigate into Assam gas leak? Answer Justice B.P. Katake. Which state in India has launched a project to help expats returning from abroad and other states who have lost their jobs due to coronavirus? Answer Kerala. The free grain distribution scheme under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana has been extended till which month? Answer November 2020. For which of her stories was Indian author Kritika Pandey was declared the overall winner of the 2020 Commonwealth Short Story Prize? Answer The Great Indian Tea and Snacks. With which country has India signed a concession agreement on the 600 megawatt Olongcho hydroelectric project? Answer Bhutan. How much assistance has been given by World Bank to India for its program to rejuvenate Ganga River Namami Gange project in June 2020? Answer $400 million. What is the theme of World Allergy Week 2020? Answer Allergy care does not stop with COVID-19. In which state is Union Minister of Steel Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurated continuous galvanized rubber production facility? Answer Punjab. In June 2020, Governor of Uttar Pradesh Anandiben Patel has been given additional charge of which state? Answer Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following banks has launched ISTA loans against mutual funds in partnership with Computer Age Management Services? Answer ICICI Bank. The Union government launched a scheme called Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Food Enterprises in July 2020. What is the outlay for the scheme? Answer 10,000 crore. To honor which former Prime Minister of India will the Government of India soon release a commemorate stamp? Answer P.V. Narasimha Rao. Which of the following small finance bank in July 2020 launched a facility of opening account through video KYC? Answer Equitas Small Finance Bank Limited. Who has been chosen to be honored with the Humanitarian Award at the 20th edition of the BET Awards for his philanthropic work? Answer Beyonce. Who has been named the convener of the committee formed by National Authority of India to set up an InvIT to facilitate investment in the highways sector? Answer Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Legendary cricketer Everton Weekes of which country passed away recently? Answer Sri Lanka. Central Board of Secondary Education has partnered with which of the following to launch a curriculum to teach digital safety and online well-being and augmented reality to students and teachers? Answer Facebook. who has been appointed as the Director General of Cellular Operators Association of India? Answer: SP Kochar. Which state government has launched Balaram scheme to provide agriculture credit to landless farmers across state? Answer: Odisha. Who has been appointed as the new Managing Director of Chola MS General Insurance? Answer: V. Surya Narayan. What is the projected country's annual median GDP growth for 2020-21 as predicted by FICCI in its Economic Outlook survey? Answer: -4.5%. Raneem El Velili announced her retirement from squash. She played for which country? Answer: Egypt. How much amount has been invested by MasterCard to help small businesses in India amid the COVID-19 pandemic? Answer: 250 crore. Braham Vasudeva passed away recently. He belonged to which profession? Answer: businessman. How much amount as refinance assistance has been provided by National Housing Bank to housing finance companies from March to June 30, 2020? Answer: 25,000 crore. According to the Economics Intelligence Unit, what is the rank of India in cancer preparedness among 10 Asia Pacific countries? Answer: 8. Along with which bank is the Maharashtra government going to set up a stress fund for stuck slum rehabilitation projects? Answer: State Bank of India. Which two countries have become the first in the Southeast Asian region to eliminate measles and rubella ahead of 2023 deadline? Answer: Maldives and Sri Lanka. By which year will Indian Railways transform as net zero carbon emission mass transportation network? Answer: 2023. Who has been appointed as the interim chief executive officer of the Board of Control for Cricket in India? Answer: Hemang Amin. What is the theme of Counter Terrorism Week 2020? Answer: Strategic and practical challenges of countering terrorism in a global pandemic environment. For which short documentary has the Arunachal Pradesh filmmaker Kezang D. Thongdok bagged the Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2020? Answer: Chi Lupu. Which ministry of the Union government has partnered with the US Agency for International Development to increase India-US collaboration for clean energy development? Answer: Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Who has been chosen as the chairperson of the SEBI's revamped committee? Answer: Usha Thorat. Who has been elected as the new president of Hockey India? Answer: Gyanendra Nigumbam. G. Akash became the India's 66th chess grandmaster recently in July. He hails from which state? Answer: Tamil Nadu. What is the rank of India in the Inform Report of 2020? Shared evidence from managing crises and disasters. Answer: 31. Fourth edition of Ministerial on Climate Action held virtually was co-chaired by European Union, China and Answer: Canada. Who is the author of book A Song of India? Answer: Ruskin Bond. Which state has launched a mobile application called Self-Scan to scan documents? Answer: West Bengal. Where has the Indian Railways set up a solar power plant to power the railway overhead lines, becoming the first to do so in the world? Answer: Bina. What is the rank of India in the Sustainable Development Goal Index 2020? Answer: 117. According to the International Monetary Fund, India is at which position in case of foreign exchange reserve? Answer: 5. Which state launched Weavers Samman Yojana to provide annual financial assistance to handloom weavers in the state? Answer: Karnataka. Whose term has been extended by 3 months as the acting chairperson of the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal? Answer: Justin Bansilal Bhatt. What is the theme of World Population Day 2020? Answer: How to safeguard the health and rights of women and girls now. According to the Bank of America Securities, if COVID-19 vaccine is delayed, India's GDP can contract up to how much percent? Answer: 7.5%. Which portal has been launched by the Union government to help skilled people find sustainable livelihood opportunities? Answer: Asim. Under whose expertise an 11-member committee has been formed to study impact of COVID-19 on human rights and future response of the government by NHRC? Answer: K.S. Reddy. Which payments bank has launched Bhavishya Saving Account scheme for minors aged between 10 to 18 years? Answer: Fino Payments Bank. The United States has decided to withdraw itself from which of the following organizations? Answer: World Health Organization. Which country has launched its OPEC 16 reconnaissance satellite spy satellite into space? Answer: Israel. What is the rank of India in the Global Real Estate Transparency Index by property consultant JLL? Answer: 34. Which state has become the first in the country to provide 100% households with the LPG connections? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. Who will head the panel formed by IRDAI to examine the feasibility of pandemic risk pool? Answer: Suresh Mathur. According to the Reserve Bank of India data, which state topped the market borrowings among states in 2020-21? Answer: Tamil Nadu. Which bank has partnered with Financial Services Corporation Visa to roll out Visa Secure to the bank's card holders? Answer: Federal Bank. Which state has started a campaign named Intezar Aapka in order to attract tourists in the state? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. In July 2020, Reliance Industries Limited has become the first company in the country to cross how much MCAP mark? Answer: 12 lakh. Which country has topped the Sustainable Development Goal Index of 2020? Answer: Sweden. Which state government has launched a campaign named Roko Toko for those who do not wear masks? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Who has been honored with the Top Publicist Award in the Global Humanitarian Awards 2020? Answer: Sachin Awasthi. According to the foreign brokerage BOFA Securities, India's GDP will contract by how much percent in first year 21 due to COVID-19? Answer: 3%. Which technology giant has announced its partnership with CBSE to help 1 million teachers conduct classes online by the end of the year? Answer: Google. Where is the Asia's largest mega solar power projection being launched by PM Narendra Modi? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Which state has got a financial aid of 1500 crore from the center to expand its crop diversification scheme and rejuvenate ponds in the state? Answer: Haryana. Which bank has launched a loan in seconds for instant loan disbursement? Answer: Yes Bank. To support startups and farmer groups, government has set up an agri infra fund of how much amount? Answer: 1 lakh crore. Who has been appointed as the first to be the group CEO of UK India Business Council? Answer: Jayant Krishna.